Hey gang, Jerry here. Today's going to be another video of our 35 Hot Rod Truck series, but it's going to be a little bit of a different video. I wanted to showcase something that I had done for my project, and you may have seen this gentleman on some of the threads for the different forums for Factory 5 and the truck series and everything. His name's Julio, and he does renderings of your projects, whether you already have it completed or you can tell him the details of your project, and he'll make a rendering drawing of your project just like I have here. And I think this thing turned out awesome. This is the image that I have for my project here, and it's going to be in a marine blue. And when he's doing the rendering, he's going to ask you a lot of questions about wheels, tires, the color of your bulkhead, the color of your grill, different things, and you'll share pictures of him of anything that you have, and he'll make a rendering. And I have to say his communication was excellent. I was a little apprehensive at first because he is out of Brazil, and doing a business deal with somebody out of the country, I was just a little bit apprehensive, but everything worked out just fine. I'm totally happy with the whole process. I'm happy with the end result. This is going to be my new thumbnail going forward. So the old thumbnail is going to be replaced with this one because, again, hopefully when the project is all said and done, this is what it will look like. So I wanted to share. I will put his information in the description down below. So if you wanted to get a rendering of your own, please check out the description down below, and it'll show you how to get in contact with him. All right, just a real quick video, gang. So that's it for this one. Remember, if you put your mind to it, you can do anything. All right, gang, take care and see ya.